Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 32 Kings Road in Herne Bay. Now this is a really good sized mid-terraced family home, and you've got 3 really good sized bedrooms here as well. Now one of the best things about this particular style of property, of course, you've got a really nice mix of period features with the bay windows, but you've also got a nice modern touch to this property as well. So you come straight into the lounge area and you can see you've got that wonderful big bay window there at the front that just lets all of that natural light through. And location wise with this property, you're just walking distance from the local primary school, and you're only a short distance away from the high street as well. So if you want to walk down to the high street, do a bit of shopping, then pop over to the seafront, it's really easily done from this property. So we've already had a good look at that lounge area, and coming through here to the second reception room, you can see you've got perhaps a dining room or second lounge, or even a downstairs study or bedroom. It's completely up to you as to how you'd like to organise the space with this property, but you've got a lot of nice reception space here. So just coming through to the kitchen and dining room extension that we've got here at the back, this is a wonderful space. Again, you've got that lovely mix of modern interior paired with period features throughout in this property, but you come into the rear here and you can see it's a nice modern kitchen. It's ready to use. There's really nothing here that you have to do whatsoever, so a really nice modern space that you've got here. And of course you've got the access point out there to the rear garden, but it's nice that if you have friends and family over, you can really enjoy this space with the dining area and the kitchen area there. So really nice entertaining space. Now, I think what we'll do next is we'll go upstairs and take a really good look at the bedrooms that we've got. So come up that lovely staircase and we're walking to the front of the property, and it's so typical of this style of property that you get that wonderful big room at the front. You can see you've got that lovely big window there at the front, and you've got the other window there just on the side. So you've got the 2 windows in the front room, really nice size. You've got a little bit of storage in there as well. And coming through into bedroom number 2, again you can see another really good sized bedroom, and you've got that window just overlooking the rear garden there as well. So a nice private room here, and you can see it's just really nice to have this sort of split level landing space here, which is so typical of the Victorian style of property. And as we just take a look here, you can see you've got the separate toilet to the bathroom. So of course if you're running a busy household, it's nice and easy. No need to go banging on the door and waiting for somebody to finish. You've got plenty of space here, and it's very practical. Now coming through to the end of the property here, we can see we've got another really good sized bedroom. So please do give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies, ask us as many questions as you like, and perhaps even book a viewing.